Howdy, y'all. This here's Pete Sluice Box McGee. I discovered this here Calico Mountain back in 1882. You might say I'm the pappy of this here coal mine. Howdy, y'all. We're glad to have you in the mine. Keep a lookout for those. A little warm in here, eh? Don't look too close at that strange glowing and bubbling from these here devil's paint pots now. One blast of boiling hot mud will burn the whiskers right off in your face. If you need a quick way to any level of the mine, you can't beat one of those mining contraptions up ahead. Pretty safe, too. Now, here's a precious sight to these old miners' eyes. Yes, sir, the Calico glory holes made a lot of dusty old prospectors into millionaires, I tell you. This here underground lake's full of hundreds found all throughout these mountain caves. That fellow over there is paying for gold from the sluice, and that other fellow's paying for dinner. Now, y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted into kingdom. This here's called square cut timber. Especially kind of short. Rough lines all the So they call this deep electric. The lava mineral. Hey, driver, let's have a little light, huh? Take a look at that. My, what a beautiful sight, I tell you. It ain't often we come across glowing formations like these stalagmites and stalactites. Say now, that's old seldom seen Slim yonder with that big nugget. That's bound to be 10 pounds, I'll bet you. This here's the very upper reaches of the glory hole. When we dug more than $80 million worth of pure gold, why, you can almost smell all that gold just waiting to be discovered. That poor fella's gonna burst a valve. Look at that big old piece of ore. Take it easy, Park. Heavier than my burrow mill truck for water gas. So keep your hands and arms inside at all times so as not to upset the car. Looks like there's some serious work underway up ahead. I see we're blasting right into the heart of this here mountain. Say, leave some of that dynamite to me. Let her rip, boys! Yee-haw!
I'm afraid I've set the charges. It's too late. They're ready to blow.
Blow that train! That'll wake you up in the morning. It's been my pleasure showing you all around the Calico mine. Now, if y'all excuse me, I got a claim to stake over there in the Calico saloon. Y'all come back now, you hear?